Debug Flask server inside Jupyter Notebook. I want to debug small Flask server inside Jupyter Notebook for demo. I created virtual env on latest Ubuntu and Python 2. On Mac with Python 3 this error occurs as well. Pip install Flask Jupyter. However, when I create a cell with Hello World script, it does not run inside Notebook. File break time equals ones, greater than line 177, in underscore bind underscore socket s dot bind tcp // %s %i self dot ip, port, file zmq /backend /cython /socket dot pix, line 495, in zmq.backend.cython.socket.bind, zmq /backend /cython /socket dot c :5653, file zmq /backend /cython /checker.pxd, line 25, in zmq.backend.cython.checker._check_rc, zmq /backend /cython /socket.c :100014, raised char ernos char, address already in use. NB, I change the port number after each time it fails. Sure, it runs as a standalone script. Update without, debug equals true, it's okay.
I installed Jupyter and Flask and your original code works. The Flask object is a WSGI application, not a server. Flask uses Werkzeug's development server as a WSGI server when you call Python mflask run in your shell. It creates a new WSGI server and then passes your app as parameter to werkzeug.serving.run_symbol. Maybe you can try doing that manually. Flask.run calls run_simple internally, so there should be no difference here. The trick is to run the Flask server in a separate thread. This code allows registering data providers. The key features are: find a free port for the server. If you run multiple instances of the server in different notebooks, they would compete for the same port. The register_data function returns the URL of the server so you can use it for whatever you need. The server is started on demand when the first data provider is registered. Note, I added the @cross_origin decorator from the Flask cause package. Else you cannot call the API form within the notebook. Note, there is no way to stop the server in this code. Note, the code uses typing and Python 3. Note, there is no good error handling at the moment.
Although this question was asked long ago, I come up with another suggestion. The following code is adapted from how PyCharm starts a Flask console. Now you can access app and use everything described in the Flask docs on working with the shell.